For today's read aloud, we are going to read this poem titled Dreams by Langston Hughes. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken-winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a barren field frozen with snow. So the very first question that we're going to answer is, what is the rhyme scheme? Remember that a rhyme scheme is ABBA or ABAB. You're looking at the last word of each line and you're trying to see if it rhymes. So if it rhymes, the letter is going to be repeated. If it doesn't, you're going to give it a different letter. So for example, dreams and die do not rhyme, so that would be AB. So you're going to tell me the rhyme scheme for each stanza. This is stanza number 1. Here's stanza number 2. And then you're going to find two metaphors. A metaphor is when you are comparing two things by saying one thing is another. Next, you're going to explain what those metaphors mean. You may not know, and that's okay. I just want you to try your best to try to explain what that means to you. And then you're going to find repetition, where something is repeated over and over.